Morning, we are going to talk about the cavities and how the pH affect the health of your mouth. Our team is confirmed from Alejandra, Isaac, Ismael, and Alejandro.
Some measurement that let us know the level of the acid or alkaline that is in a solution or a substance, and the range goes from 0 to 14, where above 7 is alkalinity and under 7 is an acid substance or solution.
As we can see in the picture, acidity and bases are the opposite, but if you mix them, the mixture of the substance will result a neutral one. In the pH scale, if the value is below 7, is 10 times more acidic than the next higher value. An example of a neutral substance is water, but if you mix chemicals in water, it can become acid or alkaline. So it is shown in the scale, and examples of acid substances are vinegar, juice lemon, and citrus in general. But examples of basics can be like milk of magnesia, ammonia, and others.
What are the cavities? The cavities are little holes that appear at the top of the teeth. This is mainly caused by tooth decay. Cavities are also called as caries. There are two main factors that can cause tooth decay. Those are bacteria and high concentrations of sugar. There are vulnerable areas where plaque can accumulate easily. These areas are pits and fissures on top of the teeth. The cavity starts in the outer layer of the tooth, and also called as enamel, and as it gets deeper, it penetrates into the softer inner layer of the tooth, also called dentin. A person won't be able to notice a tooth decay until it reaches the dentin. There are also some genetic factors that can contribute of the development of tooth decay. Some of them are small teeth, thickness of the enamel, the way we bite, and when we get our permanent teeth earlier.
When the saliva pH should be between 7 to 7.4 decreases, and this decrease was maintained over time, began to see symptoms such as neck caries, gingival resection, myelolysis, desmineralization, neck, white spots on the enamel. Saliva buffers have a system that tries to maintain the pH between 7 and 7.4, but these systems sometimes fail. And this is because of the poor oral hygiene, the stress with imbalance of the nervous systems, lowering medication of salivary flow, snuff, and a combination of these. In summary, the acidity is not good. Metabolists continually try to eliminate acids, but not always success are formed.
But which are the accepted values on the process? Well, these values depend on the zone of the mouth. For example, on the palate is between 7.34, and the floor of the mouth is at 6.5, and the buccal mucosa is around the 6.28 with a difference of 0.36, and on the tongue with 6.8. Approximately, the pH of the mouth is around the 7.4. But what happens when these values drops? Well, it's simple. The cavities start to appear.